Imagine this. You're floating in a spacesuit, gazing at the swirling clouds of Jupiter. The vastness of space surrounds you, and the enormity of the planet below is almost overwhelming. You can see the intricate patterns of the clouds, each swirl telling a story of the planet's turbulent atmosphere. It's massive, a giant among planets. Jupiter's size is so immense that over 2,300 Earths could fit inside it. Its gravitational pull is powerful, drawing in everything that comes too close. What would happen if you took a leap of faith, or perhaps folly, and jumped right in? Would you be able to survive the descent, or would the planet's harsh conditions prove too much? Buckle up, space fans, because we're about to take the ultimate space dive. Imagine the thrill, the adrenaline rush as you prepare for this daring adventure. Your heart races as you check your equipment one last time. Jupiter isn't like Earth. There's no solid ground to land on, no oxygen to breathe. The planet is composed mostly of hydrogen and helium, making it inhospitable for human life. It's a gas giant, a massive ball of swirling gases and intense pressure. As you descend, the pressure increases dramatically and the temperature rises to unimaginable levels. This is no friendly vacation spot. It's a one-way trip into the unknown. The deeper you go, the more hostile the environment becomes. It's a journey that pushes the boundaries of human exploration and tests the limits of our courage and curiosity. Jupiter's atmosphere is a chaotic mix of hydrogen and helium, with traces of other elements. This immense gas giant is a swirling vortex of activity, constantly churning and shifting. Think of a giant swirling cocktail of gases, but instead of a refreshing drink, it's a turbulent, ever-changing storm. It's a recipe for unimaginable pressure and heat. The deeper you go, the more intense these conditions become, creating an environment that is both fascinating and terrifying. As you descend, you'd encounter different layers, each with its own unique characteristics. These layers are like the strata of a cake, each one distinct, yet part of a whole. First, you'd hit the ammonia clouds, cold and white. These clouds form the uppermost layer, creating a frosty, ghostly appearance. Then, deeper down, come the ammonium hydrosulfide clouds, a sickly yellow. This layer is thicker and more turbulent, adding to the planet's mysterious allure. The deeper you go, the stranger and more hostile it gets. The pressure increases, the temperature rises, and the environment becomes more alien, challenging our understanding of planetary atmospheres. Falling into Jupiter wouldn't be a peaceful float. Imagine yourself caught in a hurricane-force wind, but 1,000 times stronger. The winds on Jupiter can reach hundreds of miles per hour, whipping the clouds into a frenzy. As you plunge deeper, the pressure increases. It's like diving deeper and deeper into the ocean, but instead of water pressing down on you, it's the weight of the entire Jovian atmosphere. Talk about feeling the squeeze. The deeper you fall, the hotter it gets. As you descend further into the depths of Jupiter, the temperature rises dramatically, reaching levels that are unimaginable. The heat becomes so intense that it feels like you're being cooked alive. The pressure continues to build, becoming more intense with every passing moment. The deeper you go, the more the pressure increases, squeezing everything in its path. It's a relentless force that shows no mercy. The gases around you would begin to resemble a very thick, very hot soup. These gases are not just hot, they are swirling and churning, creating a chaotic environment that is both mesmerizing and terrifying. Eventually, the pressure would become too great for your spacecraft, or even your body, to withstand. The crushing force is so immense that it would feel like being in a giant vice, slowly being squeezed until there's nothing left. You'd be crushed by the immense weight of Jupiter's atmosphere. The sheer force of the pressure would obliterate anything in its path, leaving no chance of survival. So, what happens when you fall into Jupiter? It's a journey into the unknown, a descent into a world that is both fascinating and deadly. It's a wild, one-way ride through a chaotic and beautiful atmosphere, ending in a crushing conclusion. The beauty of Jupiter's atmosphere is undeniable, but it hides a deadly secret. It's a reminder of the incredible power of the cosmos and the importance of appreciating our own little planet Earth. In the vastness of space, our planet is a safe haven, a place where life can thrive.